Get brushless power and speed in an ultra-compact size. With the 12-volt max CXT lithium-ion brushless 3/8-inch driver-drill kit. The slide-style lithium-ion battery and a more compact size gives you more comfort and more capacity with a brushless motor for increased efficiency. The tool's mechanical 2-speed transmission is ideal for a range of applications. Makita's efficient brushless motor is engineered for longer runtime, increased power and speed, and longer tool life. With up to 280 inch-pounds of max torque for drilling, driving, and fastening. The compact size and ergonomically designed handle with rubberized soft grip means superior comfort, job after job. For added convenience, the slide-style battery enables the tool to stand on its own and includes an onboard LED charge level indicator. For longer runtime, pick up the 4-amp-hour battery. Makita 12-volt max CXT tools are equipped with a battery protection circuit, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's part of the expanding 12-volt max CXT series, giving you more comfort and more capacity in a more compact size.